In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change DEX Screener to market cap. This is an important feature that allows you to better understand the value of a token in the market. By using market cap, you can get a clearer picture of a token's financial health. Market cap is calculated using the circulating supply, while FDV, or Fully Diluted Valuation, uses the total supply. This distinction can significantly impact your investment decisions, so let's dive into the process. First, you will open DEX Screener. You can do this by navigating to the DEX Screener website using your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, you will see a clean interface that displays various tokens and their statistics. This is the starting point for any analysis you wish to perform. Opening DEX Screener is crucial because it serves as your gateway to accessing detailed token information. You will find this resource invaluable for your cryptocurrency tracking needs. Next, search for and select the token you want to view. You can do this by entering the token's name or symbol into the search bar located at the top of the screen. As you type, you may see a drop-down list that displays matching results. Once you see the token you are interested in, simply click on it. This step is essential because it narrows down your focus to the specific token you wish to analyze. It ensures you are looking at the right data, which can save you time and prevent confusion. On the token page, locate the FDV/market cap value. This section typically appears near the top of the token's profile. You will see both the fully diluted valuation and market cap values displayed side by side, if available. Understanding the difference between these two metrics is vital for making informed investment choices. Market cap gives you insight into the current market sentiment regarding the token, while FDV shows potential future value. If both values are available, click or tap FDV to switch the display to market cap. This action will change the metric being displayed, allowing you to see the market cap instead of the fully diluted valuation. It's a straightforward process, but it can significantly enhance your understanding of the token's current market position. Once you make this selection, the page will refresh to show the market cap information, which is exactly what you need to assess the token's viability. The page will update to show the token's market cap instead of its fully diluted valuation. This updated information provides you with a clearer analysis of the token's current standing in the market. It's important to review this data as it can influence your trading decisions and investment strategies. You should feel confident knowing that you now have the market cap displayed, giving you a more accurate assessment of the token's value. Note that not all tokens have a market cap available. If DEX Screener doesn't have verified circulating supply data, it will only display FDV. This means that in some cases, you may not be able to switch to market cap. This limitation exists because market cap relies on accurate circulating supply figures, which might not always be available. In those situations, you cannot manually switch to market cap until the project provides that data through enhanced token info or a supported data provider such as CoinGecko. By following these steps, you can effectively change DEX Screener to display market cap, enhancing your ability to analyze tokens. Understanding these values is vital for navigating the cryptocurrency landscape. With this knowledge, you can make better informed trading decisions and optimize your investment strategy. Thank you for watching and happy trading.